Welcome to Dr. Yemi's Fun Faith TV. In today's video, we are going to explore a creative kitchen hack that teaches kids not only about safety, but also about the power of kindness and teamwork. If you're new here, please subscribe to Dr. Yemi's Fun Faith TV for more faith-based kids fun and parenting nuggets every week. To our returning subscribers, welcome back. You're the best. Thanks. Topic: the kitchen hack that teaches safety and kindness. Chaos in the kitchen. Just have a look. In the kitchen. A familiar scene, I believe. You too? Yes. You. Lol. Picture this. I'm making dinner. One child is zooming past the stove like a race car. Another is swinging a butter knife like it's a lightsaber. And the baby? Oh, the baby thinks the dog bowl is a swimming pool. Chaos. Pure chaos. If you're a parent, you've probably been there. That heart-racing moment when you scream, "Don't touch that pot." But what if there was a way to turn this danger zone into a kindness zone? What if safety and teamwork could actually be fun? Relatable story. The struggle. Kids ignoring all safety rules. I tried everything. Sticker charts? Flopped. Safety songs on YouTube? Ignored. Don't do this, don't do that. The more I said it, the more they did it. At a point, I felt like a broken record. Screaming, "Don't do this, don't do that." But one night, while scrolling at 2 a.m., I stumbled on an idea. And that idea became our kitchen hack. The one that saved my sanity and taught my kids not just safety, but kindness. The hack is born, transforming the kitchen, kid-sized stools, nylon knives, oven mitts. We turned our kitchen into a restaurant. Suddenly, my kids weren't chaos makers, they were chefs, servers, and teammates. We gave them safe tools, silly aprons, and even decorated oven mitts with stickers and Bible verses. It wasn't about chores anymore. It was an adventure. Proverbs 22:6 says, "Train up a child in the way he should go. Even when he is old, he will not depart from it." I realized training in the kitchen could be both fun and faith-filled. Funny fail moments. Kids dropping bread, shouting "Lava Zone," making silly faces. Of course, there were funny fails. My son declared the entire floor around the stove was lava, and suddenly, everyone was hopping across chairs like frogs. Another time, my daughter served us burnt toast and proudly called it Golden Bread Deluxe. But here's the thing. Every mistake became a moment to laugh, learn, and lean into each other. The pivot. Kindness sparks. Child pretending to be hurt, sibling rushing to help. Then came the turning point. My middle child cried over a tiny bread crust injury. Normally, her brother would have laughed. But this time, he slipped off his mitt, wrapped her hand gently, and said, "It's okay, I'll take your job. We need you on the team." In that moment, I didn't just see kids cooking. I saw Philippians 2:4 in action. Let each of you look not only to his own interests, but also to the interests of others. That's kindness, straight from the Bible, without me preaching a word. The transformation. Kids working as team, chanting safety rules. Within a week, the difference was shocking. No more stove touching. Knives passed carefully, not carelessly. Arguments dropped by half. They even started chanting their own rules. Hot zone equals no-go zone, and teammates don't fight, they unite. Colossians 3:14 says, "Above all, clothe yourselves with love, which binds us all together in perfect unity." And somehow, through aprons, mitts, and sandwiches, my kids were learning unity. Parenting takeaway, how you can try this. Step by step, 1 rules, 2 safe tool, 3 cold recipes, 4 kindness prompt. Here's how you can bring this into your own home. Follow the steps. 1. Print out simple rules and make them silly. 2. Give each child 1 safe tool. 3. Start with cold recipes, sandwiches, salads, fruit bowls. 4. Add 1 kindness challenge. Who can serve with the biggest smile? It doesn't need to be fancy. In fact, the simpler, the better. Remember, kids don't need perfection. They need participation, extended storytelling, growth over time. Over the next month, the kitchen became our classroom, not just for food, but for faith. The same kids who once fought over spoons were now praying over dinner together. They learned teamwork, empathy, and gratitude right between the rice and beans. Happy and Stronger Family Challenge. So here's the challenge for you. This week, invite your kids into the kitchen, not as helpers, but as teammates. Watch how safety practice in the kitchen turns into kindness, and how kindness turns into united and peaceful home. If you found this episode inspiring, hit subscribe and join our fun faith family. Together, we're raising safe, kind, and faith-filled kids, 1 kitchen hack at a time. Psalm 133:1 reminds us how good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. With simple kitchen hack, meal preparation is now a fun and faith-filled adventure. Don't forget, kindness makes teamwork fun. If you're new here, please subscribe to Dr. Yemi's Fun Faith TV for more faith-based kids fun and parenting nuggets every week.